See this mess behind me? Stainless steel is the worst to keep clean. I got this new nano towel that claims it can clean my stainless steel fridge with just water. I'm supposed to use the deep pile side of this to clean it and then use the other side to polish it. Let's see if it works. We're gonna do the upper part because the lower part's really rusty and I just feel like it's not gonna do this towel any service. So the deep side is for cleaning and the smoother side is for polishing. Stop it. This thing never shines. It's always covered in fingerprints and just splashes. And look at the shine. I was ready to call this a fail because I just didn't think there was any way that a rag with just water was going to clean. But you can see visibly that it took dust, dirt, everything right off the front of this fridge, no problem. I'm amazed. I hope you're as amazed as I am. I've got it linked right there. You go ahead and grab one.